Hello guys, myself Yogesh Sojitra. Today I am going to teach passive voice. Here is the topic of the passive voice that will help us to learn. First of all, we will learn in which type of the sentence we cannot use passive voice. In which sentence cannot be changed into passive voice. So I am written here the first question, when passive voice is not formed. The answer is when the verb is intransitive. It means there is no object in the sentence. So if there is no object, we cannot make a sentence into passive voice. Here is an illustration. He drives fast. Now, second example. She cries loudly. Fast and loudly are not the object but an adverb. Then how can we get object with the use of the interrogative pronoun what and whom? We can find the object. But if we ask this sentence, the question with the use of the what, we cannot get any answer. So it is intransitive verb sentence. There is no object. So we cannot make it passive. The another answer is, and it is very important, when have and be are as a main verb. Have means have and has in simple present and had in past. Be means am is in present, was were in past. So when have and be are given as a main verb, in spite of having an object, we cannot make a sentence into passive. Here is an example. I have a bicycle. Bicycle is an object, but we cannot make it passive because have is a main verb. If it is written, I have bought a bicycle, then we can make it passive because bought is the main verb and have is the helping verb. Now, what changes we have to make while we turning active into passive? What changes are needful while making passive? Only two changes. Replacement of the subject and object with some change, means pronoun change, and the changing in verb. These two types of the change we have to remember. Look here. Here is a chart of the pronoun change. If I is given in the AD, it becomes by me in passive. The same way, we becomes by us, you becomes by you. In the same way, he becomes by him, she becomes by her, it becomes by it, and that becomes by them. These I, we, you, we, she, they are the personal pronouns. But if we talk about the indefinite pronouns, then someone, everyone, anything are the three examples given here. Although there were many indefinite pronouns, someone, somebody, something, everyone, everybody, everything, a few, little, all these are the indefinite pronouns. But it happens in the same. Someone becomes by someone in passive, everyone becomes by everyone, anything becomes by anything. It happens in passive. Sometimes it is not essential to write someone instead of by someone in passive also it becomes. So this is the chart of the pronoun change. Now here you can see the verb changing. Here is given in the active voice. Play or plays is the verb of the simple present that it becomes am played, is played, or are played. So we have to learn by heart this chart because it is very easy to make pronoun change. But often we are mistaken in making the change into passive voice. The second is played, V2, simple past, then it becomes was played, were played. Then comes the third, will play, it becomes will be played. Continuous present and past, is playing or was playing. Is and was are the helping verb, and playing becomes being played. In the second, in the three perfect tenses, have played, had played, will have played. It becomes have been played, had been played, will have been played. So being is added to make it passive. To play is an infinitive. It becomes to be played while making passive. Having played is a perfect participle. It becomes having been played while making passive. Playing is a present participle. It becomes being played while making passive. So this is the chart of the verb changing. And now in the another video we will see the different 5 types of the sentence that we have to make passive. How we can make passive, that we will see. Okay.